Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. I also express my hearty gratitude to our ex-advisor, late Shri Dr. B.S. Goyal sir, who always been a source of inspiration for us. Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, respected Chairman sir, Secretary sir, Director sir, Member of Governing Body, Heads of Departments, and our most valued invited guests, colleagues and students. It's my honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. I, on behalf of Aryan Institute of Technology, Ghaziabad, and the entire fraternity of education here together, and on my own extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all. First and foremost, we are very grateful to our esteemed Chief Guest, Shri Alan Singhji, Director Superlight Joint Private Limited, Jindal, Nagar, and our guest of honor, Shri Dr. Prashant Kumar, Leonid Normal University, Dalian, China, for this kind acceptance to grace our occasion. I am thankful to our esteemed Chief Guest and guest of honor. Despite of their busy schedule, they could make their presence here because of the special concern and attachment they have for the institute. And I am also thankful to them for their insightful inaugural address to our students. I also extend my thanks to our Chairman Sir Shri Mukesh Gupta Sir and Secretary Sir Shri Anupam Goyal Sir for their enormous cooperation in organizing of this event. And without their support, such activities in the institute could not have been possible. And for all the moral support that is given for successfully organizing this convocation. I would also like to express my gratitude to our Director Sir, Dr. Sandeep Singh, for his continuous guidance in Polytechnic program. My hearty thanks to the HODs of various departments and the faculty for their valuable and enormous contribution and support in all our efforts. I also thank to non-teaching staff who have worked to ensure that this occasion become a memorable success. Well, ladies and gentlemen, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated staff of AIT who know their job and are result oriented. Finally, would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to our Polytechnic diploma holders for their cooperation. Once again, I want to state that we are grateful to all. We thank you for being with us this morning. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May I request the Director, sir, to announce the formal closure of the convocation.
I declare the convocation 2018 closed.
Thank you, sir.